Good evening. My name is Coach Harris. I am located at the end of the 300 hallway in room 318. Most of you are familiar that the 300 hallway has the L. I am the last door on the right before you exit. So if you exit the building, you've gone too far. But we will have staff members at our entrances to help direct you to get you to the correct homeroom. Some changes: when you get to school, you will report straight to your homeroom teacher. All right. You will no longer be socializing in the commons area. Now, if you eat breakfast, by all means, eat breakfast in the commons area and then report to your homeroom teacher. Class begins at 8:15 a.m. Sharp. Now, on Thursday, all right, Thursday, August the 13th, only students with last names beginning A through K will return. On Friday, August the 14th, students with last names beginning with L through Z will report. All right, so make sure you pay attention to when you are to return to school. Now, Monday, everyone will return, okay? But when you get to homeroom, we will discuss the beginning of the year packets and the student handbook, and also your schedules will be given out to you. If anything, for me personally, I would encourage you to check your email. I've sent an email to every student, including my homeroom students. And I've sent out codes and invites for you to join my Google Classroom, because if you are a virtual student, you will access those beginning of the year packets and the student handbook through Google Classroom. So make sure you check your email and check your Google Classroom, because I've sent codes and I've also sent an invite. But in addition to that, check my class website, my personal website. It is www.coachharris7.com. I have some interesting things on there for you to read. Make sure you check out the FAQs, the frequently asked questions. Now that is not limited to virtual students only. That is also for traditional students. So please check that out, read it, and just be mindful of the requirements and expectations of not just the virtual students, but traditional students as well, everyone. So check that out. Get prepared for school to return. I look forward to it, and I look forward to sharing some stories of how everyone's summers went and quarantine. You know, we've been out of school for quite a while now. But I'm glad to return to a sense of structure, a normal routine. Like I said, I look forward to seeing some of the old faces that I've had before, but also look forward to meeting new faces as well. Enjoy your last days of summer. As we get kicked off next weekend, I will kind of give you a heads up for those of you that will actually be in class. We will be moving toward a paperless classroom using our Google Chromebooks and using Google Classroom. But and I'll go more in depth with that in class. But we need to practice and make sure we are all comfortable doing that should we have to shut down sometime in the fall. I pray that we do not, but we might. So I think the best way to prepare for that is to practice it in the classroom, and that way that if we do shut down, then everyone will be much more comfortable as opposed to if we had not practiced it before. But anyway, I look forward to seeing you all once you return. Take care.